Are we in shot? Are we in shot? Do we look good? Do we look good? We haven't been doing this in like 2 weeks. Yo, what's happening, boys? It's your boy Soulless Guy here, back again for another YouTube video. I know I've been gone for like a week or two, no streaming, no nothing, but your boy's back. I actually made an order on Takealot, as you can see here. I'm actually getting myself a mic and a webcam because we're upgrading the stream and we're going next level, baby. But the reason I wasn't really active on YouTube is because I didn't have money. Let's just say that. Well, of course I had money, but not enough money to spoil myself because I wanted to upgrade my system and all those things. And so I was sitting and thinking again, how can I make money online in South Africa once again? And that's when I actually wrote down ideas for 2 weeks, boys. I've been doing this. I was sitting, writing down ways on how to make money online in South Africa via gaming. I'm actually doing this for you boys, sharing my methods with you boys, because we all gamers. Well, this community is built from gamers. If you're not a gamer and you're watching my channel, I do not know why. But yes, boys, without any further ado, let's get into the video. Step 1 on how to make money online would be signing up for affiliate links. Examples are like when you're watching FIFA videos, you usually see use code BIG at sign out on Meal Factory to get 5% off your FIFA coins order. Now you see that when you do that and you actually use the code, it's called affiliation. You affiliated with the site that's busy selling those coins and stuff, so the seller is actually making money, e.g. you. So you can sign up for affiliate links. There is different affiliate links such as Meal Factory, Fat Factory, you know, FIFA coins. And also another way to make money online via affiliation is with Razer Gaming. I'm sure you boys know the biggest name in gaming, which is Razer. Then I would say is Red Dragon in South Africa, that is. But yes, Razer also has an affiliate program. Go to their site, check it out. The second way to make money online via gaming is to be very good at a specific game. Of course, that's like number 1 on the list. Be good at your games. And then Denmark just scored. And then when you're good at your games, you can message a few orgs in South Africa. A few well-known orgs are Anarchy Gaming and also Bravado Gaming. That's just off the top of my head of what I can think about. You should message those orgs, try to see if you can join as a pro player for FIFA or a pro player for Fortnite. I'm trying to join Anarchy Gaming as a content creator because I have a good following. When I post, I have a good engagement. So becoming a content creator for Anarchy is very good. Like, it's not going to cost them anything. All I'm going to be using is their name. I am AG Soulless, basically. But yeah, the third method to actually make money via gaming and online is playing a game, streaming a game, or whatever you advertising. Or if you want if there's a specific link that you want people to click on, e.g. your Instagram link, your Twitter link, link to download Fortnite, any link, any type of link, go on to www.adfly, sign up for account, shorten the link, whether it be your Twitter link, your Instagram link, your Mixit link, whatever it may be, shorten the link with AdFly and post that link in your description. Every time someone clicks on it, I'm sure if you technically gifted from a young age, you know what AdFly is. It's a blue page with a yellow skip ad button. Once you skip the ad, it takes you to where you want to go, basically, which is nothing. So you're going to click on the link, you're going to see this skip ad, you skip the ad, and boom, you're on the person's Instagram download page. Wherever the link's supposed to go, they will be there. But when they click on the skip now, or they click on that ad, you earn money from that click. Yes, it's as simple as that. They don't need to buy anything, they don't need to purchase anything, they don't need to invest in anything. They simply need to click on the link. Once the link is clicked on, you're making money from that. Literally, you are making money from that. So if you are a YouTuber or content creator with lots of links, I suggest you use AdFly. Use AdFly, then post your link tree there. So if, e.g. I click on the AdFly, skip the ad, then it will bring up your link tree. I'll be able to go to your Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, whatever it may be. I'll be able to go there. The third method of making money, the third or fourth method of making money online is OnlyFans. Now I'm joking, boys. It's going to be deciding whether you want to do gaming as like a professional career or content creation. This is exactly where I was. I was so foolish and I thought, I want to be a gamer. I want to be a big gamer. Oh yes, I want to be the best. You know, I thought that was it. So what that actually is me playing FIFA, e.g. becoming the best at FIFA, playing tournaments, which I used to do, but that's not my passion. What I actually found out my passion is creating videos for you guys. Tutorials, how to do this, how to do that. Just showing my life on YouTube and all that. That's my passion. Making content on videos, on gaming. That's my passion. Making videos on gaming is my passion. Not becoming a pro gamer and this pro Fortnite player. No, maybe you can if you want to, but content creation is what really speaks to me. And I feel like maybe you boys should actually sit down and ask yourself, is this what I want? Do I want to become a professional gamer? Or do I want to make content of gaming, of me gaming, playing games, showing people how to do this, how to do that, you know? So maybe you should decide on what do you boys want. My last method on making money via gaming in South Africa is becoming good at a game, like me. Becoming good at a specific game. Once you are good at that game, become a coach for that game. You can hire your service out on Fiverr. You can hire it out on Facebook Marketplace if you really want to. Just hire your services out as a good gaming coach, as I will help you get better. But if I was you, I'd start for free. Hire my services out for free. Do like 10, 20 people for free. And then from there, if they improve, if you delivering on your side and they actually receiving what you are delivering, they're becoming better at the game, they're going to want you. And that's when you're slightly going to, you know, while my services are actually paid, if you want to check my price list out on Instagram or Twitter. But yes, boys, that is what I have written down here, and that is how we're going to be making money online via gaming. I hope your boys' situation gets good at home, and I hope we don't need to sit with all of this not having anything. So good luck, boys, on your journey, and I'll see you guys next time. So TV, yeah.